Yeah. You call Anna? No man, call Anna because she's very impatient. Yeah, me there in a bus I come. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be linking up with two of my friends to check out this new fast food joint. And today's adventure we're going to check out this new fast food joint that's opening today. So I just thought it would be cool to carry you guys along. Yo, the lunch. So yeah, here we have it guys. I'm here with Anna again. Remember, watch her. You guys should remember Anna from the crab video, yeah, and Nakeem appeared on the vlog a few times, you know, but yeah, we Anna foot. So we're at this location, one of Nakeem's friends. So one of your friend, yeah. No, as in own the spot or? It's like a family thing. Okay, so one of Nakeem's friends' family have this spot, and we come out for. Come here. So it's just a dope little setting. We're just here to, you know, eat some food, have some fun. Like spicy. Nah, lie though, Nakeem them Instagram page are going with things. Piping hot. Guess who? Do you think the brother? Yo. We are searcher, Anna. Anna the explorer, you know. Oh, you're such a darling. So me get foot too.
No, me get foot.
Yeah man, look on my foot man. Look on the foot now. Vibes. Yeah, give me foot. Give me foot now.
Terrible, they can't come somewhere now.
Oh Jesus Christ, Aki. So we came and we were sitting for a bit, and they asked if we want some soup. So no, we're not turning down the soup. Yo, just hold the camera, man. I don't know which way to approach it from.
Just put your mouth all over it.
Oh, no, the kid never that though.
I'm sure no say no one soup that in front of you. So why you feel the need for my chicken foot? But you get corn, brother. Yo, the man get corn. I feel cheated. Like me get robbed. Oh. I tell the vlog, say you see there? Soup bad. Soup bad man. Undefeated. Give me it now. Yeah. You hear me I say undefeated, but I never get no spinners. Like on the Instagram page there are a ton of options. Like we don't even know what to choose. And where you take Anna?
I want the wings with. I can get loaded fries with the wings. Yeah.
What loaded fries with?
Loaded fries? I don't want a big fries. I want to eat it.
May we help you?
I'm not sure. Whatever. And fries. And then 2 festivals.
Oh, they want festival too?
Excuse me.
With what come with the crazy dog by default?
Our company vegetable,
Why?
ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard.
As in, so you just get the crazy, you get fries with it? No, just the. Okay, as in a part of the crazy dog deal?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, so more one of the crazy dog, and then afterwards, not right now, I go want jerk chicken, probably leg and thigh. No, brother. I am pork, brother.
Lies.
Steve.
You know if you want to go, Bobby.
Alright then. Me favor Bobby? Me no favor Bobby.
Hello?
here just waiting on the food to come out, and yeah, it's just a dope little spot, you know. Yeah, you know, go on. Alright, so the food them just reached. Me see, and a reaction. Let me see what going in your box. Naki, let me see what going in your box.
Nakim start eating. What should I cook bushman?
Bro, yeah, let me see what going in your box.
Look at the bacon.
Mercy. Yeah, that's it. Loading fries, right? So I'm going in my one. Woo. Vibes. Oh, so this is it? Oh, alright, thank you. You don't want ketchup on mayo? Oh, you don't need it. Alright. Eh? Alright, so we got the food. Buy again, Nakim. Barbecue. Jerk chicken. Oh, ooh, thumbnail, Anna. Wait.
Thumbnail?
No man, you're good. Oh wait. You want a nice thumbnail?
No. Yeah. I joke.
Yeah, like the evil Dexter, the series. You know Dexter? You know Dexter, Nakim?
You think a laboratory?
You know Dexter, the man who work with the police, them work. I find it funny how the two of them get chicken and I know say I go sample it. Nakim, drop his side jerk chicken on this no? Yo, drop his side jerk chicken and stop move, so I'm to you. So we now sample jerk chicken. Oh, I lie, wait. I go buy jerk chicken after.
Exactly.
So you're not happy? You're not happy? Anna. Let me sample piece of wings. Watch out, hey, relax. Come on, Anna, do it for the vlog. Yeah, so what? Don't watch my hot dog. So my hot dog sexy.
That must want jerk chicken. Nice. I don't understand.
I like this. I like the sauce on the wings.
I like the sauce.
I don't even know if I approach it, brother. Why, man? Yo, man.
Like brother, like hot dog wings.
Is it something when I'm not put a burger? Where everybody take out pickle?
No, that pickle and relish is not the same.
Well, whatever this one be. Which one this?
Relish. Relish flavor.
Relish? Relish actually make it good.
Yeah, man, I always love relish.
Look like we're not planning for drink.
Yeah, we can get drinks. Mango pine and pineapple carrot.
How much for them?
2 bills for them.
No,
Two biscuits. Want a mango pine? Soda shit.
Oh, you want soda? Oh, you want something to bubble up?
I don't know, I'm drinking that. Yeah, look good. Yeah, I can't remember.
No, man, everything natural. Yeah, pineapple and mango. We did pineapple.
Mango pineapple sound come.
Yeah. You want one that too?
Yeah, you have done with ice.
You can try something natural, man. Just try it.
Try the carrot so we can taste it.
Huh?
Try the carrot so we can taste it, you know?
Water.
Water.
You You have it with ice?
Yeah.
Hey man, beg you want it ice. Got them juice, yeah? Them juice you have to drink with ice, brother. Nah, tell no lie. A damn good piece of hot dog. I can't my last start eat stills.
Oh, your last start eating no boy, my second start. Now, first start time and near mouth fries before fries don't put up my plate.
Alright, thanks. Alright, so they don't sell sodas or alcohol. Them sell alcohol?
No, wait, look up.
Alright, they don't sell sodas or alcohol here. It's only natural juices with their own branding. So go taste it and oh yeah, and water. Go taste it and see. Oh wait, shake well first.
It's off. I'm tasting.
As in, have the homemade taste, you know? You want to get your face, but it's nice, really low. Probably buy one more for go home. No man, I don't quick one it bad.
Thank you, sir.
Can't believe you sent to buy Pepsi.
No, I look what am I gonna do? No, it's not for me.
Before she drink the natural juice or drink some water, she said go buy soda. Tell me now. Tell me now. Boy, you want a little what? Look at belly full Nakim.
Here?
My belly full too, but me still. Yeah, it juice nice, brother. No, brother, as in I appreciate a nice juice. May I juice somebody, you know? Got the juice, the sauce, all them things.
Go eat those vegetables. I just eat one spoon of them. You don't want the tomato?
Brother, tomato, what? Yo, Nakim,
I feel like the tomato.
Nakim, this tomato do for you, you know?
You probably don't need it.
You need help.
Oh, yo, I'm not gonna stand for the disrespect, you know?
Hello.
Yeah, I see this thing on Instagram and them say, like, you win $1 million if you eat it off. Which one of your friends you'd call if you eat it today? I'm saying none of my friends them. Tawasha, boss, this man I'll give up and lock up the box. The little food. Guys, the food is actually very filling and prices are not that bad. They're not expensive. So if you guys get a chance, you can definitely come check out this location. It's at 55.5 Mountain View Avenue. It's Friday Frenzy. They're on Instagram as Friday Frenzy as well. Oh, and then pretty it up. When you are jerking next set, I come feed on it. Eh? Leg and tie. Alright. Oh, that's them just put on. So every day when there's something there, we're not going to serve her like it's a weekend thing.
Every day.
Every day?
Yeah, but we'll start off on the weekends, but now, like we have the grand opening today.
Yeah, every day.
Every day.
So jerk chicken every day.
Yeah, except Sunday, you know, Sunday after
Sunday, yeah, Sunday different. Oh. Yeah. So you know, like rub them down with a sauce or something. Oh. Eh? Chew. It's soup bad, man. Finally got the jerk chicken, so let's open it up and see. Bomba, you smell the jerk? It smells so good. So they have this, the sauce that I showed you before. It's peppery, so I gotta add it to it.
May help.
Yeah, good girl. Throw some to the side. You hot? Throw some to the side. I'm not afraid of pepper, just spread it all over it. NANI? Say, Anna want to kill me off. So yeah, man, I taste the jerk chicken. Ooh, let me get the leg here, so. Alright, thank you. Yeah. It's actually not bad. You know hot.
Amy, you know what jerk chicken? Here.
Oh, it's hot.
Let me try
Wait,
this
yes,
with the sauce.
A skin that not came. Hear me, Labo.
It's not hot. Open the fire, open that. Open it. I can't believe when I cry over the something. It's not hot.
Just to wipe your hand.
The next something, napkin.
Where's the juice?
That look like the next juice.
With carrot.
The carrot one. It have ice in it?
No.
As in it hot in terms of heat, but not pepper. It just tastes like escovitch sauce to me.
Escovitch doesn't have a sauce.
You know what I mean? It's something where you put the onion and thing, you know. It's not hot.
I came over here dead.
Scotch bonnet actually adds
Pull this in my pots.
flavor. I can't believe when I ball over the little pepper.
Oh.
He needs some milk.
Nice, man.
You see me.
Definitely, may I come back as a brother. May I come back. And what I like about it, the jerk season, as in the chicken not over seasoned. Because nothing you buy jerk at some place, it over seasoned, brother. Alright guys, so it was actually a good experience. The food was good. How much you rate the food? 8 out of 10. How much you rate it, Anna?
A food.
Eh?
9
9?
or 10.
Yeah, I say I rate it with 8. 8 like when Nakim rate it. It was really good, it was really tasty. All this food that we had came to about $3,000. So we're just going to pack up and head out now. I need to stop making it a habit of forgetting the outro. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys really enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, consider leaving a like. Thank you again for watching, and remember, in every single thing that you do, Maroons, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. I'll see you guys in the next video.